Why do my doors lock when I start driving?
Why do all of the doors unlock when I open my door?
Your car has a few features that automatically lock or unlock all of your doors. Auto Lock will lock all of your doors when your vehicle is moving and reaches a preset speed. And Auto Unlock will unlock all of the doors when the car is turned off and the driver's door is opened. Don't worry, if you'd rather choose when to lock or unlock your doors, you can turn off either or both features at any time. First, you'll need to access programming mode. Here's how. Turn the car on. Press the door unlock button 3 times. Turn the car off. Press the unlock button 3 more times. And turn the car on again. You'll hear a chirp to let you know you've entered the programming mode. Still with me? Good. To turn Auto Lock on or off, press the door unlock button, then the door lock button. The horn will chirp once if Auto Lock was turned off, or twice, 1 short chirp and 1 long chirp, if Auto Lock was turned on. To turn Auto Unlock on or off, follow the steps to enter the programming mode. Then press the door lock button and then the door unlock button. The horn will chirp once if Auto Unlock was turned off, or twice, 1 short chirp and 1 long chirp if Auto Unlock was turned on. Any questions? Go to FordOwner.com.